Doing well. You have the Nifty Bank and Nifty also. Both of them are doing well. Let's take the conversation ahead about where the markets could end up from here going into next week. We have Mr. Dharmesh Shah, Head of Technical at ICICI Direct, joining us on the show. Dharmesh, hi, good afternoon, and good to be speaking with you. First up, give us a sense of the move that we're seeing on Nifty Bank. A fresh new high, more than 60,000 is where the index is at right now. What's your outlook on Nifty Bank, and how sustainable is this action that we've seen on Nifty to last for the next week, in fact?
So good afternoon, Snake, and wishing you and your entire team of ET Now a happy New Year,
Same
and
to
your
you.
entire audience also a happy New Year. It's definitely, I think so. Market started the journey on the new year with a very positive note, and we believe this positive should continue going forward. And looking at the Bank Nifty, if you look at the Bank Nifty, I think so it's been trading in this range of 60,000 to 59,000, and finally we have witnessed a breakout above 60,000. We expect the way the Nifty Bank's constituent seems to be looking like. Give an example like HDFC Bank or Kotak. It looks like I think so. Bank Nifty should look more forward, going forward the higher side, and we should be looking for a target of around 61,000 for the Bank Nifty for the month of January. So 61,000 is something the target which we are looking for Bank Nifty, with strong support placed at around 58,500. As far as Nifty is concerned, yes, definitely the way the Nifty seems to be moving for last 2 months, we have seen a good consolidation happening in this range of 25,700 to 26,200. Finally, we seems to be looking managed to hold about this 26,200, and the way the base strong base formation has been built up in last 2 months looks like I think so the market looks for much higher targets. And we expect Nifty to head towards 26,700 for the month of January, keeping a stop loss of around 25,700. So 25,700 being a 50-week EMA has been holding for a long time. And also, if you look at the joining the trend lines of the close of October, November, and December, the Nifty seems to be witnessing a strong buying demand from the lower end of the channel. So overall, I think so 26,700 is likely target for the month of January, with strong support placed at 25,700.
So sounding good. In fact, 26,700, fresh all-time high headed for us in this month itself. That's the outlook. Dharmesh, what about the stock-specific recommendations right now amid a market that's now seeming to, gather its pace once again and doing well? Where does the stock bias lie?
Yes, definitely. I think so. If you look at the market, I think so. A breakout about 26,300, I think so, should look for the large cap stocks should relatively outperform. And where among the large caps, we look at for the capital goods as a sector. Again, we are coming towards the budget, I think so. And we believe, I think so, the sector has done nothing for a long time. And it looks like, I think so, the way this technical setup seems to be building, it looks like that capital goods as a sector should do good. Where among the capital goods space, L&T remains to be a top pick. Again, L&T again has 6 weeks of long consolidation and relatively outperformance clearly visible in this current corrective phase. So L&T remains to be a top pick inside the large cap space, where we look for a target of around 4,500 for L&T, keeping a stop loss of 3,800. Apart from L&T, again Adani Group stocks again looks to be gaining the momentum in terms of volume space, as well as the technical setups looks more promising from the current levels, where Adani Port remains to be a topic. Now, coming to Adani Port, last 1.5 years, the stock has done nothing, has been consolidating in this range of 1,400 to 1,000. It looks like the way the technical setup seems to be building up for Adani Port. Purely cup and handle pattern seems to be forming in terms of price formation. So yes, we believe Adani Port should witness a breakout above 1,500, and we should be looking at target of around 1675 for Adani Port, giving a stop loss of 1375. So Adani Port and L&T remains to be a topic at the current market price.
Some of the large cap names looking good to Dharmesh right now. Dharmesh, thanks so much for taking us through that. But on that note, we'll let you go. Wishing you and your team a very happy New Year once again.
Once again. Yeah,
Okay,
thank
thanks
you.
so much for that. On that note, viewers, time to slip into a very short break. Be right back with more stock specific news and updates on the other side. So stay tuned.